So these are the remains of the wireless headset, and I'm going to wire up the speakers just to this plug, which will sit right here at the, this was a line in, and it will continue to be a line in, but connected directly to the speakers. No electronics, just this. So what I have to be careful about is these contacts here. The way this plug works is when you insert the plug, these little things have to be able to rise up a bit and then back down on the plug, so they make contact. So I shouldn't put any glue here, just on the sides, and I will glue it in place on this one. What did I say? On this part, I think. Yes, on this part. Like that. And I'll solder the wires here. These wires, the other one coming from the other speaker. And yeah, it will sit like this. And the top will cover it. Come right there. And I'll have to cut away some of the plastic or some of these bumps here. There's not enough space for these, but that can be fixed. It's no real problem. But I can't get rid of the circuit board because this plug falls apart if it's not mounted. So yeah, I just have to file off a bit from the height. So, oh boy, bah. It ejaculated on my mousepad. Gross. Didn't ruin it, hopefully. So, yeah, this one goes here. How shall I protect the... Maybe I put on a piece of tape? If I can find tape. Scotch tape will do. From this big roll. Come on. Where's the end? You never know where Scotch tape ends. You have to search 3 times, complete circles, and then you find it. Then you realize you were really stupid. Yeah. So I just put... Shall I put it there? Well, I guess it's mandatory. I don't want to ruin it, so I put the piece of tape here. But then I don't want to ruin contact here with the glue. So... yeah, dirty scissors. Whatever. It will cover what it covers, and then that's it. I don't care. I'll put in a plug just in case, like that. So it guarantees that I can plug in something. In theory, at least. I think. So it will go like this. As flat as possible. Yes, flat. And I'll just glue it in. Let's see. Extra pressure is not needed from this stupid cable. So, how do I hold it in place? That's the question here. so it should go all the way there. And I'm almost out of glue. That's perfect. Like that. And fill it up. And it hurts my hand. Perfect, just as I planned. Yeah. I will have to cut away some of this glue because it went in places it shouldn't have, like here. And here, but that's no problem, not really. It seems okay. I just have to cut away some of the plastic. I don't think it will be a problem at the end of the day. But this, I should wait for it to harden. So I have I have it mounted in place. Then I can fill the rest of the void with glue. Oh boy, it's not hardening. Then I'll just pull out the cable and hold and position it correctly. I think it's okay, but it should go down a bit, as much as it can. It's fine, like that. And more glue. I need more glue. Where did I put that stick? Here it is. Lock and load. Let's clean off some of this. And then glue. Glue everything. Hot glue everything. Hashtag. And let's get the hot glue out of the way, because this is going in the wrong way again. Go up there, you stupid glue, and hold the circuit board like that. Don't go into the hole. But it's not such a bad thing. I can always clean it out. Not a big problem. The main thing is to hold it in place. Maybe push it down a bit. What's happening here? It's down. It's okay. So that's one wire, and this is the other one coming from the other speaker, and I'll have to figure out where to connect them. There's a positive and a negative, and you have to be careful which one you connect where. One you connect the grounding, and the other one to the positive, the active wire. So I'll have to look that up. But yeah, anyway, this works. This was the harder part. Soldering is swivel. You can see it will look like that, closed, when everything will fit in place. I think it has enough room. Maybe push down a bit on this side. What's happening here? Yeah, I should push on it a bit. But yeah, it's good. That's it for now.